Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Varun. Good morning, Nilesh. Screens को clean रख लेना. Mathematical numbers allocate कर लेना. We'll start in 2 minutes. A fresh start, a fresh day. Trade patience fully. No FOMO trades, guys. Everyone hit the like button. Let's start the screening. One of the two biggest meetings that going to occur today. वो trades को पकड़ना है हमें. So starting with daily time frame, what do you notice in today's candle? It's bearish. With the bearishness, do we have a wick on top? No. मतलब market wick create करने के लिए market ऊपर जाएगी ही जाएगी. At the scenario, what is the major things that you have to mark out in daily time frame? Right? Daily time frame में major चीज जो आपको mark करना है वो है हमारा low point at this scenario, this one, and at the high point, yesterday's closing. Okay. Once we mark out the levels, what do we notice continuously after the buying allocations being showcased over here? Market ने continuously एक 2 days rally continue किया है. Today is the third day of the rally. It will definitely continue because why? Still we don't have a wick over here in the current candle. Right? In this scenario, how do you look or identify the directions of the trade? To identify the direction of a trade, the first thing that you have to do is come down to 4 hours. What is 4 hours indicating? Okay, I have a low point, I have a high point. Let's mark from this green candle as this as my supply one. Okay, so from this point of action, this one, again I will multiply from this point of action, this one. Okay, so मेरे पास 4 आवर्स का सप्लाई तो मिल गया, बट इफ यू नोटिस एट द करंट स्टेज, जो 4 आवर्स का जो बायर्स बैठे थे फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन, कौन सा ए पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन से जो बायर्स बैठे थे, ए पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन से जो बायर्स बैठे थे, यहाँ पे जो विक अलोकेशंस में जो बायर्स अलोकेट हुए थे, व्हाट डू यू नोटिस? everyone got converted into the green, right? And current scenario notice करना, जितने लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हैं ना, on the candle of 25th Feb 2 o'clock, उनका अभी तक स्टार्टिंग रेंज में है, उनका टारगेट अभी तक शुरू ही नहीं हुआ है। तो व्हाट विल मार्केट डू? उनका टारगेट आके 2960 2987 तक का है on through the mathematical numbers. But the person who had sat over here, the person who had sat over here, and the person who had sat in this supply range from 27th 6 o'clock till 27th 2 o'clock, right? Everyone's pip range conversions is more than 100. Okay. So at the current scenario, what do you notice? The person who had sat over here in 4 hours, definitely they got out at this range. And what do you notice? What is being built over here? An inducement. When the inducement is built, what is the next thing that you have to do? You have to wait. How? Come down to 4 hours. From 4 hours to 1 hour. In 1 hour, what is the one major thing that you have to notice? क्या market movement में है? Yes. क्या market consolidation zone में गया है? No. Gold never goes into the consolidation zone. In this scenario, what do you notice? मार्केट ने एक डिप लिया इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में, with this point of action, let's double the demand. Okay, so this is my demand range. So ये जो रिट्रेसमेंट लिया है, कितना रिट्रेसमेंट लिया? जितना हमारा प्रीवियस सप्लाई, द एंडिंग सप्लाई. Once you get an ending supply, what is the first thing that market will do? Market completed that range. Yesterday evening session में इमरान ने पूछे थे नेक्स्ट कहाँ से मैं शॉर्ट देख सकता हूँ, राइट? वो 30 मिनट्स में विक टू विक रेंज के साथ मार्केट ने मूवमेंट अलोकेट किया था. So at this range, what is the next retracement that you noticed? This is the next retracement. कहाँ से आया वो retracement point? To the previous. अगर उस चीज को allocate यहाँ पे करोगे, you will notice a drop as particularly as much as the previous one, right? थोड़ा ड्राइंग्स ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, आप लोग ट्रेंड लाइंस ड्रॉ करते हो तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. एंड कितना कंटिन्यूटी में वापस आई है आपको यहाँ पे? जितना हमारा प्रीवियस मोमेंट ऑफ अलोकेशन यहाँ पे थी. जैसे ही इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में कंप्लीशन खत्म हुई, डिड मार्केट टेंड टू फॉल? यस, मार्केट टेंड टू फॉल. With 1 hour, what do you notice? An inducement range, the group 1, 2 green, 2 red, 1 2 1 2, and market tend to give a fall at this point of range, right? जैसे ही इस point of range में fall शुरू हुआ, let's come down to 30 minutes. What do you notice? 30 minutes में you had a proper inducement. 1, partner 2, partner 3, partner 4, right? उसी inducement के साथ आज के दिन जो कि 12th, what was it doing? Starting range में it was creating a inducement closure. इंड्यूसमेंट क्लोजर होने के बाद एक ड्रॉप दिया, उस ड्रॉप के साथ फिर से रिटेलर्स को यहाँ पे ट्रैप किया, राइट? इसी ट्रैप में हम लोगों ने शॉर्ट में ट्रेड अलोकेट किए थे. जितने लोग भी ट्रेड में बैठे हैं उन लोगों का 80 पिप्स में थोड़े लोग एग्जिट हुए, थोड़े लोग 60 पिप्स में, थोड़े लोगों का अभी भी चल रहा है. At and this point of scenario, what is the first thing? If you notice, market did give a break, correct? मार्केट ने इंड्यूसमेंट ब्रेक किया. जैसे ही मार्केट ने यहाँ पे इंड्यूसमेंट ब्रेक की, What is the next thing that you notice? Break, sustained, rejection, continuity, right? And this point of candle, what you guys are noticing is of 80 pip range. पूरा 80 पिप का रेंज है, राइट? एंड यहाँ पे अगर इंड्यूसमेंट बिल्ड नहीं होती है आज के दिन में, तो क्या करेगा मार्केट? It will follow the second range of liquidity allocation through an inside candle. कैसे? If the inducement is not built and the movement isn't gone from the same point of action, market will fall. From this fall, एक closure inside candle create करके continuity में till the targets of 4 hours buyers, right? 4 hours का जो buyers है वो range तक market one shot में continuity में जाएगी. In this scenario, let's come down to 15 minutes जहाँ पे हमारा trade off execution होगा. In trade off execution point of 15 minutes, what do you guys notice? Do we have an inducement range? Okay, इस point of action में definitely market gave a break. ब्रेक देते ही मार्केट ने क्या किया? पार्टनर 1, पार्टनर 2, पार्टनर 3 सब एक ही रेंज में थी, राइट? एक ही रेंज में आने के बाद एट द करेंट सिनेरियो क्लोजर दिया मार्केट ने यहाँ पे, राइट? ब्यूटीफुल क्लोजर, बट इट डिडंट सस्टेन. व्हाट डिड इट डू? It took the rejection and going back to the range. So at this scenario, what do you call this point of action? So this point of action you guys will call as inducement 3, जो build of action के साथ नीचे गिरा, ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट हुई, क्लोज हुआ, 1 आवर के हिसाब से एग्जीक्यूशन हुई, 15 मिनट्स के हिसाब से मार्केट अभी इंड्यूसमेंट 3 क्रिएट करके ऊपर के लिए जा रही है. कहां तक जाएगी? जितना हमारा मैथमेटिकल नंबर है वहां तक जाएगी. सो फॉर दैट लेट्स कैलकुलेट द रेंज. ओके, it will be easier if I put a calculator on the screen only, right? Just till the calculation perspective, we'll keep it over here. Okay. So at this range, what is the first thing that you will look at? Okay, where is my low point? I will mark out the lows. So my low point is at 2885.006. So this is my first range. What is my high range? 2909.263. And what is my retracement point? My retracement point is 2896.239. So at this scenario, let's do the math. Okay, so what I will do, 2901.61 2901.650 minus 2884.525. Okay, what is the formulative number that we have got? 17.125. So what I will do next, post this, what is my retracement value? 2896.390. What is the direction? Bullish. Plus 17.125 into, right? What is the first target that we'll be looking for? The golden ratio, 1.618. What is the number we have got? 2924. Target hit hua, right? Next, what we'll be doing? We will be doing the same math with 2896.370, sorry, 390 plus 17.125 With this range, multiply it with 2. What is the target we are getting? 2930. Definitely the target was hit. So at this point of range, क्या हमारा मूवमेंट खत्म हो गई? नहीं, हमारा मूवमेंट यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं हुआ. क्यों खत्म नहीं हुआ? अगर द पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ 25th फेब जो जो अलोकेट करके चले थे लॉन्ग के तरफ, उनका टारगेट तो और बड़ा है, right? So at this perspective, what we will be doing is a different scenario all put together. Okay, so what is the next thing that we have to look for? You guys do the math of square root now. From the square root of 2884.784, do the square root formula. जैसे ही square root formula करोगे, आप लोगों को पता चलेगा till where the market has the second allocation and the third allocation, because 0.375, 0.5, 0.618 का levels को निकालिए. Okay, जैसे ही निकालोगे, you will get the numbers of 2940, 2951 and 2980. Okay, that are the numbers that you will be getting out. So जैसे ही हमको इस point of action में numbers मिला, what is the next point that you have to be looking at? Execution के लिए क्या देखना है आपको next? For the next execution, आपको एक चीज notice करनी है कि कब rejection मिलेगा, मैं कब entry करूंगा. Rejection मिला, well and good. नहीं मिला, well and good. If you notice, break, sustain, wick creation, continuity. Okay. So you have one option right now. After 7 minutes of closure, अगर 7 minutes में market close होती है, हल्का सा rejection लेती है, continuity में आती है, you can look for the next movement of allocation. Are you guys clear in gold? कोई doubt है? Nilesh, Mahavich, good morning Mahavich. Anyone has any doubts in gold? If not, we'll move to BTC. No doubts. Okay. So, next we will come down to BTC. What is BTC doing? Yes, clear. Why use that swing low for calculating MC? Right? When you calculate the MC perspective, what is the next thing that you will look? Because this MC target is hit, this MC target is hit, right? इस MC target का एक ही pending है 0.618, right? उस point of action होने के बाद the next inducement range is this only, no? 2884 का ही next inducement range है, correct? So every MC, once it gets cleared and market continues, allocate the next MC to the inducement of the next. So in the scenario, this was my major reversal. So my major reversal 1 completed. My major reversal 2 completed. Now where is my next reversal point? This one, right? So this is my third allocation. If this gets completed, then we will look for the next price actional point. Okay? Not prior to that. Okay, Mahavich? So let's come down to BTC. Okay. Daily time frame. What is daily time frame saying? जो हमें चाहिए था कल के दिन में मूवमेंट ऊपर के लिए बिल्ड हुई, जैसे चाहिए वैसे के लिए वैसे ही मूवमेंट आई. Trade is running with 5,000 points. Okay. So current scenario में what is the first thing that you will mark? एक सेकेंड यार, चार्ट पागल हो गए. Okay. At the current scenario, I will mark my buyer's allocation point. Okay. जैसे ही buyer's allocation point mark हुई, what is the next thing that I will be looking for? The next thing I will be looking for is where is my internal liquidity, not the external liquidity, not the movement allocation liquidity, internal liquidity. How do you identify a internal liquidity? Wherever you find a range without any break, it will be not more than 2 or 3 candles. Okay. And it is not given a break on top of it. It has closed in the same range. Okay. So that is known as an internal liquidity. So if you notice, the internal liquidity 1 was here, the internal liquidity 2 was here, the internal liquidity 3 at the current stage is here. Okay. So these are internal liquidities. So इस point of action में market क्या करेगा? इस point of action में market पहला एक drop to consecutive move create करेगी. Right? So drop to consecutive move मतलब जितना हमने यहाँ पे allocate किया है उतना ही drop आपको दिखने को मिलेगा. ओके. व्हाट डू यू नोटिस? जितना ड्रॉप यहाँ पे था इंटरनल लिक्विडिटी के साथ उतना ही कवरेंस, जितना ही ड्रॉप यहाँ पे दिखने को मिली थी उतना ही कवरेंस. राइट. सम पॉइंट ऑफ केसेस द मार्केट कंटिन्यूज, सम पॉइंट ऑफ केसेस द मार्केट टेंड टू बी इन द रेंज. तो अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में नेक्स्ट क्या देख के चलना है? सो इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में नेक्स्ट हमको देख के चलना है व्हाट इज the next plan of the current moment. Okay. So daily candle में तो internal liquidity के साथ drop definitely आई. Drop आने के बाद did the market evaluate the structure? Yes, definitely. अगर कल के इवनिंग सेशन में नोटिस करोगे हमने 2 लाइन ऑफ कंडक्ट्स ड्रॉ किए थे. वन ऑन टॉप ऑफ दिस बॉडी, another one on the supply and demand range. So हमारा इधर मेजर डेली टाइम फ्रेम का अलोकेशन हो गया. ओके. अगर चाहिए तो इंटरनल लिक्विडिटी का हाई हल्का सा मार्क करके रख सकते हो. ओके. वंस दिस इज ड्रॉन, कम डाउन टू 4 hours. वंस यू कम डाउन टू 4 hours, व्हाट डू यू नोटिस? जो हमारा एमसी था वो एमसी का टारगेट हिट हुआ. एमसी का टारगेट हिट होने के बाद छोटा सा 4 hours में इंड्यूसमेंट बिल्ड हुई. इंड्यूसमेंट बिल्ड होने के बाद एक्सटर्नल लिक्विडिटी जनरेट हुआ. एक्सटर्नल लिक्विडिटी के साथ मार्केट अलोकेटेड टुवर्ड्स द लॉन्ग. अभी प्लान ऑफ एक्शन कैसे देखोगे? अगर ये रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट यहाँ पे क्लोज होती है नेक्स्ट 54 सेकेंड्स में, उसके बाद कंटिन्यूटी में जाती है, राइट, देन दिस इज योर स्विंग लो, दिस इज योर स्विंग हाई, दिस इज योर रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट फॉर योर टारगेट्स ऑफ 4 hours. राइट. जैसे ही वो टारगेट ऑफ अलोकेशन होगा, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू बी लुकिंग हियर? You will be looking here for major liquidity ranges. Major liquidity range कहाँ पे मिलेगा? 1 hour. What do you notice in 1 hour? What is it doing? Market definitely took a movement over here, right? 1 hour में consolidation है, right? So, but do we notice इस movement होने के बाद do we have a drop? Definitely with the inducement there was a drop. Continuity मिली? नहीं मिली. We had an external liquidity build at this point. With the external liquidity, market took a continuation. Right? In this continuation point of view, what is the next thing that you have to be looking here? The next thing you will be looking out here for an action plan movement. How do you allocate an action plan movement? जितना हमारा ड्रॉप ऑफ अलोकेशन है उतना ड्रॉप ऑफ अलोकेशन के साथ आप मार्केट में एक मैपअप कर सकते हो. Just in case, this is my swing high, this is my swing low. Okay, at the current scenario, I'll just mark it. Right, 4 hours closure nahi mila hai, but I will mark it. Right, let me do the math over here and let's check कहाँ है हमारा next plan of action. Okay, so let's take the swing high 88,967.52 minus 81,500. What is my number that I have got? The number that I have got is 7467.52. Right? This is my formulative number. Now, what is the next thing that I have to do? This is a bullish movement. I will allocate a structure towards the long. How will I be looking towards that? 86,334.53 plus bracket open 7467.52 into 1.618. What is the number that I have got? The number that I have got is 98,416.97. Right? So I have got my first number. So let us look for an action. 98,000 तो बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर है, correct? In the scenario, currently 86,000 में चल रहा है. So the number what we are looking is on the break of the previous high. मतलब internal liquidity जो range है हमारा daily candle का, उसका ऊपर वाला point of action 98 आती है. Right? So when do we have to look in this circumstances? अगर हमको closing 4 hours का range में मिले तभी. अगर ये रेंज क्लोज होके कंटिन्यूटी में आके क्लोजर देती है तभी ही वो टारगेट अलोकेट होगा. वी हैव डन द मैथ, वी हैव अलोकेटेड इट, वी जस्ट हैव टू मार्क एंड कीप इट. सो इन दिस सिनेरियो द नंबर इज 98,416. राइट, सो 98,416 पे मार्क कर लेते हैं नंबर को एट दिस लेवल. Okay, so we have got the range. This plan of action will get executed when this 4 hours candle closes in green. Next candle takes a break and continue. That's when this plan of action gets executed, not prior to that. So this is our 1 hour plan of action that we will be looking in towards the BTC. At the current stage, what do you notice? Market definitely wanted to grab out the liquidity attention. Market was pulling out the retailers drop, right? क्योंकि इस point of action में अगर volume हम देखेंगे, what is volume indicating us? Let me just close this. Right, what is volume indicating us? Every point of action, do we have a raise? क्या हमको यहाँ पे रेस दिखने को मिली है? Right, there is no raise. Where is the raise? The raise is in the candle of a liquidity. Which candle? This one. क्या ये candle बहुत बड़ा बना है? नहीं, right? So it is just a small body with a wick. Means यहाँ पे buyers were interested on a higher range to allocate the trade. Right? So that's how you look where the volume gets dropped, where the volume gets added. Two major things that you have to be looking and executing in a direction. Once you get that point of action, what is the next thing that the market do? Market definitely made retailers sit in this range. जैसे ही break हुआ नीचे के लिए बिठाया, इस point of action से market continued the rally towards the top. Right? And अभी इस point of action में 1, 2, 3, 4 हिम्मत नहीं होती है रिटेलर्स को. राइट, वेट करेंगे एक रिट्रेसमेंट कैंडल. राइट, रिट्रेसमेंट कैंडल की ब्रेक. सो लेट मी शोकेस यू रिट्रेसमेंट कैंडल की ब्रेक के बाद So this is our 1 hour. Let's come down to 30 minutes. What is 30 minutes indicating? 30 minutes is indicating a triple end, right? Let me showcase you that zone of red, green, red candle. Okay, how many points it is? Say me one thing. Will you be able to hold the trade for 2000 points in negative? No, right? That's where people tend to give the money to the markets and to the big players. तो इस सिनेरियो को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करके होल्ड करके चलनी होगी? Every point of action, every inducement range, only you have to look for a trade. Inducement range build हो रहा है? Yes, definitely you can look for a trade. अगर inducement build नहीं हो रही है, then it's a different scenario all put together, right? सो यहाँ पे बीटीसी में एक चीज याद रखना, अगर रनिंग में देख रहे हो, डायरेक्शंस में देखो, अगर रनिंग एंट्री ले रहे हो, इंड्यूसमेंट के ब्रेक के बाद लो, राइट? सो दैट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन दैट यू हैव टू बी लुकिंग एट. अगर इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में हर एक पुल बैक के साथ आप बैठने जाओगे, यू विल डेफिनेटली टेंड टू गिव द मनी टू द बिग प्लेयर्स. सो एट दिस रेंज व्हाट इज मार्केट डूइंग? Market is trying to build an action. So this action will take a movement further down a bit. Further down a bit, that could be another 1500 points range. अगर 1500 points range break नहीं होती है, तो market will give a closure here and then a rejection continuity of the 4 hours target. Okay, so this is the next plan of action that you guys have to be looking at. So इस point of action में आप एक चीज कर सकते हो, do the math again for a short range. Okay, how do you do a math for a short range? This is your high point, this is your low point, this is your retracement point, right? A तीन point of action को draw करो and you will come to know where exactly the market will take a rejection and continue the movement again. Okay, so this is the perspective of looking into the market should be. 15 minutes is our execution point. Execution point में I am not interested at the current stage because there is no inducement. Definitely there is two inducements which has been created, but that's not the cup of tea. Okay, so यहाँ पे let it sustain, build one, then continue. Okay, this will be our plan of action for BTC. Any doubts in BTC, guys? Mathematical calculations कर लेना BTC में. Short के तरफ का range, high point, low point, retracement point. Okay, high is 88,967.52. Low point is 87,331.71. Retracement point is 87,965.02. Okay. Coming down to Indian sessions. Gap up open हुआ ना? Yo. हमारा कल का दिन का टारगेट हिट हो चुका है गाइस. Okay. 22,175 was the target. That target is hit. Now let's do the math again. This is my low point. For this current scenario, 5 मिनट में हमारा ट्रेड ऑफ एक्शन खत्म हो चुकी है. Where is the next plan of action that you will be looking at? The next plan of action you will be looking at is 15 minutes. Right? I have a low point, I have a high point, I have a retracement point. Okay? With this retracement point, let's do the calculations. At the scenario, what is my retracement point? So first let's subtract the swing. 22,105.15 minus 21,966.40. What is my formulative number? My formulative number is 138.5. 0.75, right? So once I get a formulated number, where is my retracement point? My retracement point at this range is 22035.75, direction bullish, plus formulative number 138.75 into 1.618. 22,260 is my next target. Okay, 22,260. I'll mark out the number. Okay, post this, what is the next number that I have to look for? The next number that I have to look for is 22035.15 plus 138.75 into 2. 22312.65. 22312.65. So these are my targets that I will be looking on the continuity. So trades close हुई है, trades close नहीं हुई है. Okay, so this is the targets for Nifty. What is the next thing that you have to look for? Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, what is the one major thing that you have to focus on? हमारा जो कल का एक्शन था उसका टारगेट अभी हिट हुआ है, राइट? जो हमारा कल का प्लान ऑफ एक्शन था कौन सा वाला था? इफ यू नोटिस, this was the first action point, this was the swing high point, this was the retracement point, correct? Let's do the math and check क्या हमारा वो target hit हुआ है. In this scenario, let's take the swing high 48,234.50 minus 47,926.75. What is the formulative number that I am getting? The formulative number that I am getting is 307.75. In this scenario, what I'll be doing, what is my retracement point? 48,050.60, direction bullish, plus 307.75 into 1.618. What is the target? 48,548. Where is market exactly taking rejection from? Okay, and हमारा next target identify करना है, that is 48,050.60 plus 307.75 into 2. 48,666. Guys, कोई डाउट्स है यार? This is my next target. Sorry, मेरे को हंसी आ रही है क्योंकि लोग बोलते हैं ना रनिंग कैंडल्स में बैठो. कल का ट्रेड अभी तक चल रहा है दोनों में. Okay, so this is what you have to follow. Allocate the supply and demand at this range. This was my all-time supply. I will multiply it from this range. The supply is completed. Allocate the second round of supply. Where is it? Same scenario over here as well. This was my supply 1. This is my supply 1. This is my supply 1. Right, with the supply 1, what is the next thing that I will be doing? I will be multiplying this into the action point from the retracement value. Where do you notice the market is exactly? If I draw a line action, is it exactly at my mathematical concept? And where Nifty is looking for a small rejection perspective, this is our 50% range. Okay. This is our 50% range. Any doubts in Indian session? Always remember, follow the levels, execute the trades through the mathematical concept and bane rahiye. Follow the levels, allocate the trades according to the directions. With that directions, look into the perspective of the market indications. With the market indications, allocate the trades and sit patiently till the mathematical concepts. Anyone has any doubts? This is my current supply. This is my previous rejection point. With this rejection point, what do you notice the rejection over here? उतना ही rejection लेके next point of action तक movement हो रही है ये वाला निफ्टी TP1 hit guys कल के दिन का और आज के दिन का मिला के currently running with 300%, Bank Nifty with 300%. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. जितने भी नए लोग हैं बैक टेस्टिंग करो, फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग करो. जितने भी लोग हैं बैक टेस्टिंग करो, फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग करो. विद द फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग allocate the trades in the directions through the mathematical concepts. Wait till the targets and make sure that you guys apply the same formulas, remove all the indicators, all the EMAs, all the things what you guys have put onto the charts and follow this one. Definitely this will help you out, guys. Good morning, Rajiv. Hit the like button, guys. Is the short rate still running? राजीव, थोड़ा ये होगा, थोड़ा स्क्रीनिंग देख लेना रिवाइंड करके. ओके. स्मिता मैम, exit 70% from Nifty, full from Bank Nifty. Full in the sense कल का full. In case of Indian sessions today, if Nifty could have shown weak opening, then what could have been the scenario? Nifty weak तभी होता तब mathematical directions weren't there. कल के दिन में वो 50 पॉइंट्स नीचे क्लोज हुई थी. ओके. एंड वीक डायरेक्शन है तो भी राइट. एक चीज याद रखना इंडियन सेशंस में, one thing that you guys have to be very careful about, एक्सपायरीज के दिन एक दिन पहले वाला ट्रेड्स यू वोंट होल्ड इट इन द मैथमेटिकल वे. उस दिन का मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई करो, उसी दिन एग्जिट हो जाओ. ओके. बिकॉज प्रीमियम्स डीके होते हैं on the gap up opening as well and on the gap down opening as well. So make sure that on the premium days ek din pehle you guys make sure that you trade on day to day basis. Rest other days from the day of new week opening or daily opening or a monthly opening, you guys can hold. If the target is not hit, you can carry forward the trades. Hit the like button. Okay, Nilesh. Nilesh, you have to just keep one thing in mind. Okay. Always remember, कोई भी चार्ट, दुनिया का कोई भी चार्ट उठा लो, market follows the math. Okay. So when there is a math, definitely it will follow the numbers. When it follows the numbers, what will it tend to do? If the market is in consolidation, you just have to wait for one spike. Once you get that one spike, you will have that indication. Okay. And वो spike आती है inducement range में. Through that, you will understand which side the market is going to move. Okay. अगर ये target hit होती है तो change करो ना. Next level. Do the math on next. Right. This was the first inducement range. Right. अगर वो target hit होके sustain continuity होती है, Nifty का अभी भी pending है. Right. Intermediate ratio is still pending. So if the intermediate ratio complete होना है, then what you have to do? Take the next retracement point. Change the allocations. Right. This will be your new formula. Okay. So apply the new formula here and check what is the next plan of action that you guys are going to get. 48 351.65 minus 48044.55. Okay. What is the formulative number? 307.1. When 307.1 gets occurred, next thing, retracement point 48131.55 minus, sorry, plus 301.1 into 1.618, 622. वहां पे ही तो है मैम. नेक्स्ट 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48351.55 . 48,131.80 plus 307.1 into 2. 48,746. 48,746. This is my next target. Because यहाँ पे पेंडिंग है उसके लिए वहां पे भी डालो, नहीं तो नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. इंडियन सेशंस में a good movement is good. In case of BTC, I am still unable to fully understand why you said that after up move and second March till retrace up to 85,200 levels before continuing further. Coming to that, एक second. Yeah. क्या बोले थे? कौन सा बोला? In case of BTC, I am still unable to fully understand why you said that after a up move on 2nd March. It will retrace up to 25,200 level. कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम में? Nilesh, which time frame? Daily. ये 2nd March का कैंडल था. Okay. See, you have to understand the scenario, right? Market works in a formulative way. How does the market works a formulative way? Agar, Nilesh, if you check the streaming of second also, right? From second only we have said that market will come down. Till where? Till this point of action, right? So why that was the scenario is whenever the market moves, market will build a breaker liquidity, which is breaker point. Okay. With the breaker point, market grabs the liquidity of the small retailers, right? कोई होते हैं कि like they love to hold the trade, sit patientfully. Okay. क्यों? ग्रीड ज्यादा है. डेफिनेटली 10,000 पॉइंट में नहीं निकलेंगे, वो बोलेंगे मैं पूरा लूंगा, 100K तक लूंगा. तो उन लोगों को क्या करेगा? इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में आउट करेगा. एंड दिस इज द ब्रेकर पॉइंट रेंज. अगर कल के दिन भी नोटिस करोगे, परसों दिन भी नोटिस करोगे, वी हैड ड्रॉन दिस लाइन बिकॉज उस समय पे कैंडल बना भी नहीं था, तब से हमने ये लाइन ड्रॉ करा था. मार्केट इस पॉइंट तक आएगा ही आएगा. Why? Because the market is always designed in the quantum way to hunt the smaller numbers. Okay? Quantum financing में हमेशा एक चीज याद रखो, the bigger numbers will always hunt for a smaller numbers. Right? So that's the reason you see the spike. If you notice, let me 1 second close it. Okay, so this is the volume. Okay, so this is the pressure what you have got at this range, correct, on this wick candle. Okay, what do you notice post that? Did the volume increase? No. Candle shown as a retracement, right? Retailer's perspective, draw a fib level. You will see this is one of the points of 0.3. 1 hour में draw करोगे तो. Okay, then market went up, right? Definitely मार्केट में क्या सोचे, पर्सपेक्टिव वाइज एनालाइज करो. पर्सपेक्टिव वाइज क्या है, मार्केट स्टडी है, एक स्पाइक मिली है रिवर्सल का, नो डाउट. रिवर्सल स्पाइक मिलने के बाद व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट circumstantial what is the next circumstantial movement allocation that you have seen here? The circumstantial movement allocation that you have seen is continuity, right? Break, continuity. But at this scenario, why does the liquidity took till this point exactly? इस point तक ही क्यों लिया? Why? Because the tangentness of the movement. The tangentness of the movement मतलब अगर notice कर रहे हो, let me just move it aside. Okay, so अगर आप यहाँ पे notice कर रहे हो, volume still are pretending to be on the width side, right? ये volume हमारा increase हुआ, beautiful. ये वॉल्यूम हमारा इंक्रीज हुआ, ब्यूटीफुल, राइट? यहाँ पे इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज नहीं हुई, स्टैंजेंट अलोकेशन दिखाया, ब्यूटीफुल. उस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में मार्केट ने इतना बड़ा वॉल्यूम जनरेट करके हल्का सा रिजेक्शन लेके कंटिन्यूटी की. ओके, नो डाउट एट ऑल, राइट? So if you notice in the scenario, what is the next thing that you will be looking here? Again, वॉल्यूम कितना बड़ा, उतना ही जितना ब्रेकर पॉइंट तक आना था. उसका नेक्स्ट वाला कैंडल में अगर नोटिस कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे फिर से वॉल्यूम उतना ही बड़ी, राइट? कंटिन्यूटी में मार्केट ऊपर या नीचे आना चाहिए था, करेक्ट? आया नहीं, क्यों? इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में मार्केट बायसनेस दिखा के, जितने लोग इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन से बैठे थे ना विद दिस अलोकेशन, they took an reallocation at this point. उसके वजह से what do you notice in this candle? The body was small and the wick was big. And the wick pressure किस तरफ का ज्यादा है? Buyers तरफ का pressure ज्यादा है, correct? Bottom wick line is bigger. So at this point of action, market will definitely tend to hunt, right? जितने लोग शॉर्ट की तरफ, जो मैं बता रहा था ना, ये 0.3 रेंज है मार्केट में जो लोग बैठे थे. लेट मी ड्रॉ एंड शोकेस यू. व्हिच दिस टाइम क्या है, वही है ना? ओके, वन आवर. Okay, if I take a fib level, what do you notice? Where the people have sat here? 0.3 में बैठे, 0.5 में बैठे, सबको उड़ाया ना. So that is the major way of looking into the markets. जब भी आप नोटिस करोगे मार्केट में लोग बैठ रहे हैं, उनको उड़ाएगा ही उड़ाएगा. सॉरी, गलत दिखाया, माय बैड, राइट? सो इन द सिनेरियो, व्हाट डू यू नोटिस? हमको इधर तक ही चाहिए. Where did the people sit in towards the short? नहीं यार, गलत दिखाया, पहले वाला एक सही था, राइट? व्हाट डिड यू सी ओवर हियर? एक सेकंड ना, 1 आवर में दिखा देता. व्हाट डिड यू सी इन दिस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन? शॉर्ट में कौन बैठे थे? जो प्रस्पेक्टिवली 0.3 0.5 में बैठने वाले, राइट? जैसे ही वो लोग बैठे, What is the moment that been allocated at dip range ना? जब dip range create होती है तो definitely it will hunt people. Okay, Nifty target hit. Okay, Nilesh. Understood. So always remember, when there is a movement in the direct range of action, the market will tend to hunt you down. Always quantum numbers are bigger than the retailer's number, right? And retailers follows the movement which has been showcased on the perspective of trend lines, EMAs, right? जो भी indicators है, RSI and all, उसके basis पे करते हैं, right? So in that basis, it's always in a lag. वो lag perspective में दिखाता है. जब lag perspective में दिखाता है, it will tend to hunt you down. Nifty target hit, should I exit? Hold. 250% के नीचे क्लोज होता है तब एग्जिट. तब तक के लिए बने रह सकते हो. ओके, जितने भी नए लोग हैं, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. Whatever the doubts you guys are having, you can ask, and just make sure if you're learning and if the content is helping you out, like, share and subscribe. आपने लक्ष्मण रेखा डाल दिया बैंक निफ्टी में. स्लो एंड स्टडीली ऊपर जा रहा है. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन गोल्ड बाइंग एज ऑफ नाउ. नेक्स्ट रिवर्सल अगर कंटिन्यूटी में देखना है तो कहाँ से? अगर बैंक निफ्टी में एक कैंडल क्लोज होती है ग्रीन कैंडल के नीचे, ओके, तभी ही you can draw the next mathematical number to identify the next moment of reversal. Okay, let the market break, sustain, then you can draw the mathematical concept 2.0, right? From that point of action, you can identify the next target towards the short. कोई भी डाउट है पूछो. सर पहले कौन क्यों नहीं बताए लोग? लोगों से पूछो। आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड हियर गाइस। गोल्ड बाइंग में आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड एट ऑल। बीटीसी का लेवल चला गया। आ रहा है वापस आएगा। यो। क्लोजिंग चाहिए मैम। अरुंधति मैम, वी नीड अ क्लोजिंग हियर। इससे पहले नहीं। डू द बैक टेस्टिंग, डाउट आएगा तो पूछना। आप कोर्स क्यों नहीं बेचते हो? जो मार्केट में समझ में आता है वो एक बंद हुई हुई मार्केट में नहीं, लाइव में जो समझ आता है वो समझ है। बंद हुई हुई मार्केट में तुम आराम से आइडेंटिफाई कर लोगे सप्लाई एंड डिमांड, क्योंकि आपको दिख रहा है। अगर और परफेक्टली बैक टेस्ट करना है, गो चार्ट करके एक ऐप है, राइट, फ्री है, फुल फ्री है, राइट। उसे लो, ओपन करो, एक डेट ऑफ एक्शन में डालो, उस डेट ऑफ एक्शन से मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स को अप्लाई करो, रिप्ले में जाएगा, उस रिले से आप फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग करते चलो। ओके। Nilesh, if you want to get perfect, Mahavij, if you want to get perfect in this, use Go charting. In that Go charting, you will see a relayed version, free hai, totally free. Take to one date, put from that point of action, allocate the supply and demand, do the mathematical concepts and back test करके चलो, sorry forward test करके चलो। बैक टेस्ट तो ऑन द स्क्रीन ट्रेडिंग व्यू में ही कर सकते हो, लाइव टेस्टिंग भी ट्रेडिंग व्यू में कर सकते हो। बैक सॉरी फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग यू कैन डू इट इन गो चार्ट। In BTC 1 hour time frame yesterday, there was an inducement zone, then it broke the zone and closed below. Again, it went up and took the SL of the sellers and took the rejection from the top. Again, it came down, took the SL of buyers and rejected from the bottom and closed inside the zone. Here, we were sure that it wants to go up, but it was unable to spot the entry. What should be the entry point? Please explain. कल के दिन में अगर वीडियो ओपन करके देखोगे, ऊपर जाने के लिए we had said you will identify a threshold pattern, which is external liquidity. Where did you find the threshold pattern over here? Which is external liquidity. Excuse me. Nilesh? डेफिनेटली इंड्यूसमेंट क्रिएट किया जो आप बोले सब सही बोले लास्ट में there were many people who were looking for an execution adding महाविज as well right उन लोग उन्होंने एसएल दिया था right external liquidity के साथ movement no doubt we had one external liquidity over here as well is point of action में okay but the closure always needs to give an external liquidity 2030 इंडियन टाइम फ्रेम पे देख रहे हो ना राइट सो वो त्रिशूल पैटर्न का एक्सटर्नल लिक्विडिटी जैसे ही बिल्ड होता है नेक्स्ट कैंडल क्लोजर कंटिन्यूटी में एग्जीक्यूट ओके एंड दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अ तुक्का दिस इज ऑलवेज वर्क्स लाइक दैट ओनली इन बीटीसी ओके each and every point same thing reversal point 28th Feb 130 candle राइट सेम थिंग कंटिन्यूटी में नीचे के लिए मार्केट आया था फ्रॉम फेब 26 830 कैंडल सेम थिंग विद मूवमेंट अगेन ऊपर के लिए मार्केट गया था फ्रॉम 19th Feb 1230 कैंडल again the market continued the same positions allocations through the 12th Feb 1830 candle right the market came down from a range again starting point was from 4th Feb 330 candle again the market went up from the external liquidity point 3rd Feb 730 candle again the market took a rejection from an external liquidity point on 30th Jan 830 candle okay again if you want one more example I can give it to you which is on 24th Jan 1030 candle again you will see an external liquidity at 20th Jan 1230 candle top movement again for 5000 points from 21st Jan 630 candle the major upward movement again started from 13th Jan 1930 candle the downward movement started from 7th Jan 530 candle बीच में फिर से एक ऊपर का मूवमेंट फ्रॉम 10th Jan 130 कैंडल सिर्फ वो ही नहीं राइट थर्ड के दिन ये जो फॉल भी शुरू हुआ इट वाज विद एन एक्सटर्नल लिक्विडिटी ओनली फ्रॉम द कैंडल पॉइंट ऑफ 3rd March 430 ओके And BTC mein Trishul is working just not from today, it's working from 3 4 years. Which people call it as by so many names. गोल्ड 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 क्या करोगे अभी? वेट करो, इस रेंज में ट्रेड करोगे तो एसएल दोगे. Rajiv, any doubts on the screening of today? Please do ask. Okay. No sir, only entry issue. एंट्री इशू भी सॉर्ट हो जाएगा, वीडियो आ रहा है. मैक्स टू मैक्स कल आ जाएगा, कल वेनसडे थर्सडे कल आ जाएगा, नहीं तो सैटरडे आ जाएगी. ओके. एंट्रीज के ऊपर you guys will get an entire how to allocate from the screening perspective to the mathematical perspective, how to draw a supply and demand, with that how to enter in a trade, right? Everything will be noticed and given in that. First we are doing gold, then BTC, then Indian sessions, तीनों में आएंगे. Okay. No sir, only entry issues. Hope Rajiv your problem is solved here. Okay, वो वीडियो देख लेना, you will be having an idea where to enter. Okay. लोगों की कोर्स बंद कर दोगे सर, ऐसे लाइव स्ट्रीम में बताओगे तो? लोगों की कोर्स बंद कर दोगे सर, ऐसे लाइव स्ट्रीम में बताओगे तो? इतना एक्यूरेट रिजेक्शन आज तक नहीं देखा. Hit the like button guys. I'm not speaking. I'm just doing my math. Yes, 1 hour threshold. I am an officer. Will join evening sessions. Okay, Rajiv. Take care. Yes, sir. You are right. But Nilesh and me were looking at 15 minutes threshold. Well, you guys sit together and trade, is it? Nice. 1 hour. 1 hour threshold. स्मिता मैम, आपने जो बोला है मैं यहाँ पे बोल नहीं सकता हूँ. ठीक है. सही है. बट लेकिन all the new members, welcome to the stream. Hit the like, share, and subscribe. सर इतने दिन कहाँ थे आप? हिम्मत कर रहा था बात करने की. I used to never talk this much. Hi, hello, खाना दे दो. प्लीज ट्रांसफर द फंड्स. बैंक वालों के साथ मीटिंग्स में भी बात नहीं करता था. आई जस्ट यूज टू लिसन. उसके बाद कोशिश की बीच में, बट हुआ नहीं. उसके बाद लोगों ने फोर्स किया. देन वी स्टार्टेड अगेन. आई एम एन इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन यार. कम ऑन, इंट्रोवर्ट इट्स. Oh, that is a different scenario in parties, man. Parties ka scenario is totally all put together a different scenario. And thank you everyone for watching the stream. Hope it's helping you out, guys, in learning wise. अगर हेल्प नहीं कर रहे तो बता दो. I'll be glad. एक सेकंड गाइस, कॉल आ रही है. हेलो. Hey, very good morning, Richard. How are you? No, speak with Elizabeth, no? Yeah. I had asked for a transfer of my fundings. Yeah. Conversion from USDT to Euro. Yeah. For the Swiss bank. Yes. From the IG account. Yeah. Please, can you contact Elizabeth regards to the same? Thank you, Richard. Thank you for your valuable time. Hey, Elizabeth. I just got a call from Richard. Can you just have a conversation with him and get the transfers done by today EOD? Yeah, yeah. No, this is for the investment on a new startup which is coming up. So we'll be looking in prospectus of that. So initial seed funding, they are looking for around $7.86 million. Yeah, 37% stakeholding. Yes. Okay. I'll give you a call by around 1:30. Yeah. And my legal team could get in touch with you regards to the paperwork. Thank you. म्यूट नहीं हुआ है, सॉरी गाइस. Sorry. Sir, Nilesh and me do not sit together. I am just assuming it from Nilesh's angle. Okay, got it, Mavich. We should thank you. You are sparing your precious time to teach us and patiently listening and repeating the concept again and again. Thanks a lot for your selflessness. Thank you so much for your kind words. गाइस सॉरी, ये स्ट्रीम बंद होने के बाद डिलीट होने वाली है. ओके, पहले ही बता दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि म्यूट में नहीं था. थोड़ा पर्सनल कॉन्वर्जेशन आ गया है इसमें. Sir, can you show an example of backtesting MC and gold? No need to calculate the levels, just an explanation as you were where I should train my eyes. थोड़ा lag होगा. Whichever chart you want to look, put the name. Currently, you want to look at BTC, put BTC chart. You will get BTC chart over here, okay? Oh, sorry, futures आ गया. Sorry. Okay, this is your chart. You want to back test, right? So take to one point from where you want to back test. I want to back test from the range of 1 hour. This is in 30 minutes. So I will take 1 hour time frame. I want to see where all the market has taken the rejections, right? In this scenario, what I will do, I will relate from this point, right? I'll place it over here. वर्षा वो फेक आईडी से कनेक्ट करो. Okay. So I'll put Bitcoin. There is a lag. Okay. So this is my chart. So I know where to look at the current scenario. So at the current scenario, what I'll be doing, I'll be looking for a perspective of a relay from this point of angle. Okay. Lane speed. ओके, यहाँ से मेरे को करना है. सो इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में मैं रिले प्ले करूंगा, राइट? यू विल सी स्पीड फास्ट है. सॉरी, यू विल सी ए पैटर्न बिल्डिंग ओवर हियर. थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ा लेना, सो इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू. ओके. जैसे ही स्पीड बढ़ा लोगे, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू कनेक्ट लुक फ्रॉम? ओके, Now, in this scenario, what I'll be doing, I will be drawing my trend line 1. This is my demand. कहाँ तक movement आ सकती है? I can look in the perspective of this. Prior to that, I have to look what is my supply range. Again, I will draw my previous supply range. Right? जैसे ही इस point of action में supply range build होगा, right? So what will the market tend to do? You will come to know, okay, this is my supply. Okay, so wait, let a market build a threshold over here. Okay, let the pattern follow. Till the time BTC में threshold generate नहीं होता है, follow the same rule. Threshold build होता है, you allocate the number. Okay, in this scenario, I'll go a bit faster. Okay, this is just for forward testing how to look into the circumstances. Okay, मेरा target hit हो गया, sustain हुआ नहीं हुआ market में. So what is the next thing that I will be looking for when you're doing a forward testing? I'll wait for a closure, right? Close होके sustain होता है या यहाँ से ही rejection लेता है. अगर continuity में आती है तो what I'll do? I'll clone it. I'll clone and keep it ready. If the market closes, I will drag and drop. Right? Now the market is showing me the closure. I'll drag and drop and I will draw a 50% line. Okay. So I'll wait. Did my target hit or not? If it takes a reversal, how is the next point of allocations to be looked at? Right? So it didn't give a closure. So I'll wait. So that is how you look into. Once the threshold is built, then the next point of action will be seen. That's where you will look for an forward testing calculation point. So gold में short में हूँ. Okay. So this is the perspectives that you have to be looking at. Okay, it didn't sustain above. So what will be my first rejection point of my supply? जितना मेरा previous supply होगा. Right? How much is my previous supply in this scenario? Okay, this is the supply. Okay, supply taken, right? Executed. Close होके sustain हुई है. I'll double my values. Right? This is just for forward testing. ये सच में ऐसे कर रहे लाइव में करके मत सोचना. ये दिखा रहा उतना ही. Okay, so this is your level. Okay, यहाँ से rejection ले रहा है. So what's the next thing that you have to look for? Right? Once you identified a threshold, where did you identify the threshold at this range? This point of action, right? So you identified a threshold over here. So this will be your swing low. This will be your swing high. This will be your retracement point. Calculate the level. Mark the level. Check whether it's going in your direction or not. Okay, with that follow the movement of the allocations, right? With the allocations in the directions, look for the trades, right? This is how forward testing happens. Okay, hope Mahavij you got a rough idea. एक सेकेंड गाइस, लॉग इन करना है. Now it's okay. Same thing for gold. Do the back testing, right? And forward testing may look for an allocation. Then apply the math and wait. मैं यहीं पे हूँ, जस्ट थोड़ा पासवर्ड डाल रहा हूँ, उसके लिए I have just closed the stream. Yes, sir, I did. Thank you. Sir, what all you do? I do multiple things. Okay. गो चार्ट जैसे ओपन किया लैग हो गया. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. चेक चेक. थैंक यू वर्षा. कॉफी ऑर्डर कर देना. ब्लैक ब्लैक. रुलाएगा, सताएगा, रिटेलर्स को ट्रैप करेगा, बाद में जाएगा. जब जाएगा हम एग्जीक्यूशन देखेंगे. तब तक के लिए नो. 4 आवर्स कैंडल पे ध्यान रखना गाइस. क्लोजर. 2 आवर्स में ग्रीन कैंडल क्लोज नहीं करेगा, देन मार्केट विल फॉल. कोई भी डाउट है पूछो. ऑल द न्यू मेंबर्स वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम एंड आई अपोलोजाइज फॉर द इनकन्वीनियंस ऑफ द लैगिंग बिकॉज फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग दिखाना था तो हल्का सा लैग लेना पड़ा. एक बार रिफ्रेश कर लीजिए सब लोग. It's an humble request. How long are you trading from? Started last month. Hustling. Let the markets give indication. गोल्ड में अगर इस जोन में ट्रेड करोगे तो एसएल दोगे, वेट कर लो, इंड्यूसमेंट बिल्ड होने दो. कौन पूछा है सवाल? नहीं, किसी ने नया सब्सक्राइबर ज्वाइन किया, राइट? वो बोल रहा है व्हाई डोंट यू फॉलो ईएमए, आर यू ए न्यू ट्रेडर, हाउ लॉन्ग आर यू ट्रेडिंग फ्रॉम? तो उसको बोला इसी मंच शुरू की. आई वाज जस्ट पुलिंग हिज लाइक. हल्का सा फन तो बनता है. Haha, nice, good one. From the day the live stream started, continuously winning streaks going on. No emotions, please control on the emotions. And good morning, Venkat. Don't trade in FOMO. Execute at levels. Okay. जिनका भी लैग हो रहा है प्लेबैक स्पीड इंक्रीज करके एक बार रिफ्रेश कर लीजिएगा. नाउ यू गाइस विल बी हैविंग कंटिन्यूअस नो लैग स्ट्रीमिंग. FPS has increased to 60. Do you listen to the music? Yeah, while I run, yes, I do. Should start the workout again. Guys, everyone start reading books, right? Once you guys start reading books, you guys will get a hold of your mind in your control. Okay? First book that I could recommend for a small change of habits is Atomic Habits by James Clears. That book will help you out if you guys have completed that book. The second book on changing the habits and building a long term secret for success and mindfulness is Aikigai, okay? A Japanese book which is being written by Hector Garcia and Francis. If you guys want to understand the secrets, these are the two books of changing habits and mindfulness. Yeah. Excuse me. And if you want to add one more, habits of highly effective people, then you can use a book written by Stephen R. Covey, which is Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. These are just the starters. Okay. All the new members, welcome to the stream. If you're learning from the channel, if you're gaining the knowledge from the channel, do hit a like, share, and subscribe. Good morning, Rakesh. How are you? How is your trading going on? Partner one, partner two, partner three. Three partners. 4 hours का क्लोजिंग ग्रीन में चाहिए बीटीसी में लॉन्ग की तरफ. Not prior to that. Concentrating on gold only for now. Having capital of 20K, what should be the lot size? 20K is nothing but $200, right? Your lot size should be $200, 0.2. Sorry, 0.2, huh? 0.18 or 0.2 will be your lot size. 0.18 or 2. Okay. How to identify position sizing? It's not a difficult thing. Just for an example, in your scenario, your account size is 20,000, right? What is your risk appetite? The risk appetite can be anything from 1% to 10%. Okay. In this scenario, what is the next thing that you have to be looking here? The next thing you have to be looking here is what is your calculation perspective, right? How will you identify your calculation perspective over here? The calculation perspective that you will be looking here will be your risk per trade, RPT, divided by SLA, stop loss amount. Okay. So in your scenario, what is the trading account capital? The trading account capital is of 20,000, right? And if I calculate 1% of the risk over here, so with the 1% of the risk, that is 200 rupees will be my per share risk appetite. Okay. So 200 rupees, if you divide, so what will be per share cost? 10, right? So what is the scenario that you will be looking here? Is equal to 200 divided by 10, right? This will be the calculation that you will be looking for yours. So in the scenario, you can be looking for 20 shares, correct? So in the lot size, that is 0.20. So 0.20 is what you can look for an allocation in a scenario of this. Okay. This is your position sizing calculation. RPT divided by SLA will be your value of position sizing. This is as per 1%, okay? Same things follows for a different percentage rise. Not interested, not interested. Let the market take a rejection, continuity. सिर्फ जो लोग यहाँ पे जब स्क्रीनिंग एक्सप्लेनेशन के टाइम पे रिजेक्शन के साथ बैठने बोला था, सिर्फ उनका ट्रेड चल रहा है, बीच में एंट्री मत करो. Okay. बैक टेस्ट करो, फॉरवर्ड टेस्ट करो, कोई भी डाउट आए पूछो। I see the margin required is more for 0.2, maybe depends on the leverage is what I have chosen. So gold, what we use is 1 is to 2000 and 1 is 2000. Okay. 1 is to 200 leverage is in the particularness of understanding when your capital grows about $10,000. Okay. Even at that perspective, you will be using 1 is to 500, not 1 is to 200. 1 is to 200 is a range where we trade in the news timing. Okay. सर बीच में लेवल कैसे आ गया बैंक निफ्टी में? भाई साहब मैथ्स करो यार. Swing high 1, swing high 2, swing high 3. This is your retracement point. Subtract the swing high 1 and swing high 2. Right, you will get a formulative number. With that formulative number, you will get a retracement value minus bracket open the formulative number into 1.618, the golden ratio. Okay. All the new members, whatever doubts you guys are having, please do let us know so that we can help you out. Okay. जिनको भी एक छोटा सा रिस्क लेके ट्रेड लेना है तो एक हल्का सा रिजेक्शन में एंट्री देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, टारगेट 2918 तक. ओके. TP1 is 2918. BTC is also doing the needful. 4 hours की कैंडल ग्रीन में क्लोज हुई रिजेक्शन के साथ. ओके, 2 more hours to go. वो 2 hours में पूरा ग्रीन क्लोज होती है, तो नेक्स्ट रेड कैंडल के साथ रिजेक्शन लेती है, कंटिन्यूटी में ऊपर के लिए आती है लॉन्ग. रीजन गोल्ड में लॉन्ग क्यों है, रिवाइंड करके देख लो. विक क्रिएट करेगा ही करेगा बोला था हमने. Okay, hence the trade was towards the long. TP1 is 2980 ना. Lovely. Good morning, Sagar. किन किन का कितना कितना चल रहा है? Hit the like button, guys. ऐसे कैसे होगा? नहीं होगा, होगा, होके ही रहेगा। नीलेश, एक मिनट दे दो, एक मिनट, आई एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू। इतिहास उठा के देख लो। गोल्ड बिना विक क्रिएट किए किसी भी डायरेक्शन में विक मूवमेंट, सॉरी, किसी भी डायरेक्शन में मूव नहीं करती है। बीटीसी बिना त्रिशूल क्रिएट किए किसी भी तरफ का रिवर्सल लेती नहीं है। इतिहास पलटा के या उठा के देख लेना। रेयर सिनेरियोस में होता है। That rare scenarios comes once in a blue moon, and once in a blue moon comes 3 months, 4 months once. सर, एक्सनेस में हो गया, आईजी में भी हो गया, ट्रेडिंग व्यू में भी होगा। 2 मिनट दे दो, होगा। Because this is a mix and match of multiple. I entered gold just now, sir. What is the target? By you have entered at a very wrong place. डेली कैंडल का विक क्रिएट होने का टारगेट है, फर्स्ट टारगेट। चलो, ट्रेडिंग व्यू में भी डन। कीप इट अप गाइस, ब्यूटीफुल। इतिहास पलटा के उठा के देख लो। सस्टेन होता है मार्केट, सागर, फॉर यू द नेक्स्ट टारगेट इज डबल द पोर्शन, keep it, 50% will be your rejection range. ओके, वहां तक देख लेना. So your target could be 29, sorry, the target could be 2920.502. If it breaks above this level, okay, this is the target of yours. Entered at 2911. Beautiful. Good entry, Sudhir. So in case of Bank Nifty, Nilesh, coming to your point, in case of Bank Nifty 5 minutes time frame, the short entry was on the break of retracement green candle for the target of 1.618 calculation on the downside. Please correct me if I am wrong. You're correct. You're absolutely right. Okay. Keep it up, Malli Babu sir. Good job. Okay. निफ्टी शॉर्ट साइड का भी ट्रेड दिए थे क्या आप? हाँ, दिया था. Was waiting for a rejection and then entry, but mood started without rejection. It moved with the rejection. What are you saying? यहाँ पे आपको नहीं दिख रहा है, एक्सनेस में आपको दिख रही है रिजेक्शन. If it sustains above this level, target will continue till 2922. बीटीसी में अभी 2 घंटा है यार ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए. आराम से बैठो बीटीसी में. सर पैसे से अपने की मशीन खोल के रखे हो आप. अब मैं क्या करूं यार. इसके नीचे जब तक क्लोज नहीं होता है तब तक बने रह सकते हो सब लोग. Okay. MTSL फॉलो करना, अगर किसी को भी MTSL सिस्टम पे चाहिए तो मैं लगा दूँ। जो जो फोमो में एंट्री हुआ है, राइट, प्लीज मेक श्योर यू गाइस फॉलो द TP. कोई शक? ये वर्षा, मैं तुम्हें बोला था, गहरे गहरे लोगों को टेलीग्राम पे मैसेज करके करने के लिए मत दो, ब्लॉक करो उनको. I got a one beautiful message, and that message states, तुक्के में ट्रेड कोई भी ले सकता है, रोज करके दिखाओ. कोई भी डाउट है पूछो। Sir, can you recommend any books in trading which at least describes 40% of your trading style? There is no book that will explain my strategy. Not even 10%. जब लोग कहते हैं तुम फेक हो बिना समझे, ना जाने क्या छुपी है दिल में, ये उन्हें पता नहीं। हर मुस्कुराहट के पीछे एक दर्द छुपा होता है, जब तक तुम समझो नहीं, ये राज तुम्हें पता नहीं। वाह 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 वाह, इरशाद। सर, एमएमसी के कॉन्सेप्ट से जो लाइन निकाला एमएमसी के कॉन्सेप्ट से जो लाइन निकला के लेवल निकालते हैं रिवर्सल का, वो एक बार बता दो ट्रेंड लाइन वाला टूल से जो मैप मापते हैं। सर, एमएमसी के कॉन्सेप्ट से जो लाइन निकाला के लेवल्स निकाल भाई सर, एमएमसी के कॉन्सेप्ट से जो लाइंस निकाला के लेवल्स निकालते हैं रिवर्सल का, वो एक बार बता दो ट्रेंड लाइन वाला टूल से जो मैपते हैं। ओके सर, थोड़ा टाइम दे दीजिए फैजल जी, करेंगे डेफिनेटली। सर, आपको मैथ्स डालना आ गया? एमएमसी कॉन्सेप्ट जो पूछ रहे हो, आपको मैथ यूज करना आ गया? हाँ, डेफिनेटली सर, नेक्स्ट स्टेप सिखा देंगे, प्रॉब्लम नहीं। बट हम एमएमसी के कॉन्सेप्ट यूज नहीं करते। एमएमसी के कॉन्सेप्ट में पर्टिकुलर कैंडल्स देखते हैं, राइट? सो वी डोंट यूज इट in MMC way of looking into it. Our looking of allocation of supply and demand is way too different than MMC. Move the MTSL up. System trailing up. सर शॉक मत दो आप मेरे को ऐसे। Keep the trailing. Move the MTSLs. सागर टारगेट हिट हुआ है। Hit the like button guys। सुधीर MTSL मूव करो, सिस्टम ट्रेलिंग वहां पे ही रखो। Mahavij, I will not recommend you any trading books here because trading books won't help you to understand live markets. Next level, Nifty hit okay, continuity. सबका trailing will be at 22,274. Next moment of allocation, move the time frame to 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, what is the next allocation that you will be looking at? Open the calculator. This swing is completed. Next swing. The next swing is looked at. This one. This was the target completion. This will be my retracement. This will be my next allocation. Okay. So in this perspective, what is the next thing that I will be looking for? 22,664.60. 22,264.60 minus 22,035.75. Formulative number आके 22,8.85. into 1.618. 22,584 is my next target. This will be next target. On the circumstances of only one thing, the movement should continue, right? Let's allocate the next supply. Mathematical concept मिल गई हमें. This is my next movement. Multiply and allocate. You could see a next rejection from 22,409. Okay. So this is your next rejection point of Nifty, which is 22,409. Please don't draw the Lakshman Rekha. Sagar, hope you are out at 29.22. That was your level. Now we will look for the shorts. Okay. Not in the direct candle. With the rejection, we'll look not directly. Sir, please don't draw the Lakshman Rekhas. Okay, sir. तो एग्जिट मत पूछना आप लोग. टू रेंज गाइस, अभी रिवर्सल देखने के लिए व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट विल बी लुकिंग फॉर? एन इंड्यूसमेंट. इफ देयर इज नो इंड्यूसमेंट, व्हाट? अ इनसाइड कैंडल. ओके. अगर ये रेड कैंडल क्लोज होती है तो यहाँ पे सब लोग बेरिश एंगल फिंग करके सोचेंगे, बट इट्स नॉट ए बेरिश एंगल फिंग क्योंकि विक ऊपर के लिए क्रिएट हो चुकी है. Hit the like button, guys. Sir, exactly, target hit and book and then reversed. Right. Great. Right. Sagar, next time in the just make sure that you don't enter in FOMO running, okay? Follow the levels. 3 more minutes on candle closing. No worries here. Most welcome. Just practice on your entries. So you're exiting at the spot. That is not an issue. Entry practice kar lena. I came late for the live stream. So sorry for that entry. No worries, man. No worries. 1 hour 27 minutes to go in BTC. अगर छोटा छोटा टारगेट चाहिए तो 5 मिनट का एमसी कर लेना. MTSL system, TSL means what, sir? How to know that? Right, MTSL is mind trailing. Okay, you will trail your losses or you'll trail your profits in mind. In system, once you have, just for an example, you have taken an entry at 29.13, right? We had said over here 29.13, 29.14 somewhere. If you have executed at that point, first your system SL will be where? One second. Okay. So this is the system SL. So you have entered over here, right? 4 points because London session, right? London session, 4 points will be your SL, which is here, right? So at that point of time, neither this will be there, neither this will be there. Okay. So what you have to do? So once the market takes a movement, 40 points plus once the market move. So in this scenario, this is our 40 pip movement. Okay. So in 40 pip movement, so what will the TSL do? In system, you will place a TSL at CTC, cost to cost, plus 10 pips, which will be here. Okay. Then MTSL, once the candle gets closed, right at this range, what will you do? You will place the MTSL here, right? Once you get a confirmation, then you move your MTSL up till a point certain level where you know that okay, this profit, if it comes, I am happy, right? But emotional less. And system trailing will go up by 2 more pips, which is 20 pips. 2 more points, 20 pips. So this will be your system trailing at the point here. And in mind, your trailing will be running at this range. Okay. So this is how you trail MTSL and system SL, TSL. TSL will be in system, MTSL will be in your mind. So currently MTSL, do you close? There are two ways into looking into it. Break, close continuity, you can exit, else you can close once it crosses. So in our way of looking into it is we don't close it till the time the candle closes below the MTSL. If the candle closes below MTSL, definitely we will be looking for a movement continuity. Because just 5-10 minutes back I said you, by seeing this candle, retailers will be looking this is as a bearish engulfing, right? But in the scenario of bearish engulfing, it should be inside the previous candle. But here, what do you notice? There is a wick. So it will create an inducement here. Okay. Where is your entry point? 2904, 2908, 2910. And one entry with you guys, which is at 2913. If the insider candle builds, then we'll look for the next movement. Sir, I am short in GU from 1.2985. Just can you give me a glimpse of my target? Definitely. Yeah. TP1 at on the closure of this candle below this, the TP1 will be 1.27751. TP2 will be 1.27479. Okay. On the closure of this candle. below this point. Varun will be crying now. Sir, मेरा SL ले लिया sir. System trailing basically. No worries, Mavich. Very funny. I have added at 2913.695. MC is not completed. So 4 add-ons are going on. Great. स्मिता मैम मैं क्या करूँ उसको बोल बोल के थक गया. वो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ड्राइव करता रहता है या किधर और रहता है. सर वन डाउट पूछिए मैम. So if the market took a target, can we do the calculation again in the MC point from the reversal area of the short MC? Yes, you can do it. But 5 minutes में करना. 15 minutes में नहीं. In the scenario of this, you can draw at this range, low, high, and this is your retracement point. Okay. Good afternoon, Venkatraman. Okay. So hope you got the point, Nilesh. Hi, sir. Can you explain Nifty current allocations? The trades are running from yesterday, right? So use the mathematical concept 2.0, right? In this scenario, what is the thing that we have looked for? This was our first target, right? High. This is my retracement. This is my swing low. So what I will do, I will take a calculation of 22,105.15 minus 21,966. What is my formulative number? The formulative number is 139.15, right? So in this scenario, what is my right? So when we calculated the golden ratio to what is the next point of action that we have to look at? 22 1 22 3 14.35 is the next point of action, right? Which the target is it and continuing. At this point of action, my first swing low will be here, my swing high will be here, and my retracement point will be here. Why? Because 15 minutes is the target allocation where will be the market tending to move for. Okay, 5 minutes definitely you can take small swing high, swing lows, and look for the targets. But the points movement in the premiums doesn't give as much as we want. So here, what is the next thing that we will be looking for? Our swing high is 22,214 minus swing low, which is 22,066.65. What is the formulative number? 147.35. Right? When the formulative number is 14147.35, what is the next thing that you will do? Two 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 one four is our retracement point over here. With this retracement point, add, because market is bullish, formulative number into 1.618. What is my next target? 22,452. Hence, my next target was marked at that range. Okay. You want the explanation again? Definitely, I'll give you the explanation. Okay. So, at the current range, what is my swing high and swing low? My swing high is at 2266.33, 22.264.60 minus 22,066.65. What is my formulative number? 197.5. right? When my formulative number is 197.97, what is my retracement point here? 22,214 minus 197.97. We will be adding over here. Okay. 22,214 plus 197.97 into 1.618. What is the number that we are getting? 22,534. We have marked that number here. Okay. This is my major target for the Nifty. If I want to see a reversal, I will see at this point. Okay. You will get a mini reversal from this range. Why? Because this is my previous supply, right? With this previous supply, I have just multiplied the same and allocated with my retracement point. If you notice, this is my current mini reversal area that I will be looking here. Why? Because Bank Nifty's movement is just 58 points away from my target of MC calculation. Right? Once the MC calculation closes at this range, then I'll be looking for the next momental action, not prior to that. Okay. Hope you got the point, Martin. Can we look long in gold? Yes, we are in long in gold only, no? सॉरी गाइस वो म्यूट में चला गया था उस समय पे नो वॉइस Venkatraman, only one condition. This candle should create a wick and go. This candle should create a wick and then continue. Okay. So Nilesh and people who are looking, just 5 मिनट पहले क्या explain किया था 10 मिनट पहले sorry. Retailers यहाँ पे bullish angle think सोच के trade execute करेंगे. Market came down to the range, hunted their actions, coming back to the game. Okay. So एक चीज हमेशा याद रखना, अगर आप ट्रेड में बने हो तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर बुलिश एंगल फिंग बेरिश एंगल फिंग क्रिएट होता है, उसका जो मूवमेंट कैंडल है वो विक प्रीवियस कैंडल के अंदर होना चाहिए. जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जांपल, दिस इज द बॉक्स एंड दिस इज द बॉक्स. ओके, same with bearish, this is the box and this is the box. If this closure is in a go, well and good, you can consider as a bullish angle swing and a bearish angle swing. अगर यहाँ पे विक जनरेट हुआ है, यहाँ पे इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में विक जनरेट हुई है एंड क्लोज हुई है, सेम विथ हियर विक जनरेट हुई है क्लोज हुई है, देन मेक श्योर दैट इट विल ट्रैप यू आउट. दिखाएगा थोड़ा पॉइंट्स, उसके बाद ट्रैप कर देगा मार्केट. Okay, thanks. No worries, Martin. 130 pips plus 60 plus 60 plus 90 pips running. उसका प्रीवियस मैसेज फनी था. किसका स्मिता मैम? वरुण का. Very funny. So 4 add-ons are going on. I've added at 2913.695. फाइनली बीटीसी जैसे हमें चाहिए वैसे काम कर रही है. राइट, 4 आवर्स की कैंडल इज अ गुड क्लोजर. राइट, जैसे हमें चाहिए था वो क्लोजिंग मिला है. 51 मिनट्स ये यहाँ पे ही क्लोज होती है. नेक्स्ट कैंडल हल्का सा रिजेक्शन लेके कंटिन्यूटी में आता है. डेफिनेटली यू गाइस कैन लुक फॉर लॉन्ग. Calculate the MC from point A, point B, and point C. The number is 98,428. Okay, so that will be the target. Only one condition. What is that condition? This candle should close here. Next candle should take a rejection and continue. Okay, that's the only condition. Twenty pips running. This is your system trailing point, right? Till it completes 4 point. No usage of MTSL and system trailing. Currently, the market is still in the SL range. Once cross of 40, you will take the system trailing to 10 points and MTSL start. Okay. $22,409 is another mini reversal area that you guys will find in Indian sessions. Follow the rules, trade patience fully, execute the levels through the mathematical concepts, draw the swing highs and lows, identify the formulative numbers. With that, multiply by the golden ratio and the intermediate ratio at the current circumstances. Trade करना आसान है. It's just one thing. You just have to be fearless following the risk management. With the risk management, there is one more thing that you guys have to follow. That is trade emotional less. जीतने से खुश हो जाना, loss हो जाने से दुखी हो जाना is not a quality of a trader. Make sure that you control on your emotions, on your winnings and losings. Be blank. You will achieve the numbers what the mathematical concept says. Okay. The only condition wick create होना है तो होना है. मीटिंग हाई मार्जिन एरिया स्टार्ट हो गया है. जितने भी लोग छोटे क्वांटिटी से ट्रेड करते हैं, प्लीज डोंट लुक इनटू द ट्रेड्स. ऑल द न्यू मेंबर्स, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. जो भी डाउट है पूछ सकते हो. And if you're learning from the channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. How many days do I need to learn this? 22 days. Thank you so much for your guidance. You're welcome. In your early video, you said the market is behaving in a different pattern per quarter. MC concepts will work all the time. How to identify market patterns? उसके लिए 3 महीना होने दो. 3 months. You will see a difference, right? So when you're following something new, right? Again, when you're following, the market will tend to not work in the same moment as required, right? So that is the one thing that the indication gives all about. So I can show it to you only in live. Back testing में वो दिखेगा नहीं. Yes, अभी विक लिया है. यहाँ से कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए. Okay, Martin. So it will take 3 months. Once a behavior change comes into the market, I can show it to you how to identify it. स्ट्रीम विल गेट क्लोज इन 15 मिनट्स. जो भी डाउट है पूछ लीजिए. Can I take this in continuity for tomorrow? Depending. सिस्टम में कैसे लगा दीजिए. 280% में लगा लीजिए मैम. एसएल. Anyone in short in gold? Thanks, recipe book. Let the market give the indication short की तरफ देखना है तो not prior to that. Which okay. Let the market give the indications. नहीं नहीं अरुंधति मैम ट्रेल कर लीजिए. 285 290% में ट्रेल करके रख लो. Target in gold, as it has already rejected from 150% from 15 minutes supply. Can we consider 1 hour supply as the target? No, that is the supply which is a reversal area. That plays a major role, Nilesh. Okay. So one thing that you have to look for here is always remember when you have drawn a second supply or a demand, make sure that second supply 50% hit होके rejection ले रहा है. मतलब समझ लो that market will tend to build an inducement range or it will try to build an insider candle and give the movement. Okay. At this perspective, what you have to be looking here, the majorly two things that you will be looking here are a closure or an inducement. At the current range, what you can see, inducement, right? So there is only one partner. So let the second partner build, let the third partner come into the play, then the execution. अगर risk लेके बैठना है, it's all up to you. Okay. 3 more minutes. Whatever doubts you guys have, please do ask. ये कैंडल क्लोज होने वाली है 4 घंटा. सेम रूल्स महाविज नीलेश. क्लोजर, रिजेक्शन, कंटिन्यूटी. Okay, BTC. So whatever doubts you guys are having, please do drop in the comment. Like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं अगले स्ट्रीमिंग पर, which is in the evening at 5. तब तक के लिए take care. Bye bye. Nitesh signing off.